Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Guide. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your birth date on TikTok. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon for instant notifications as soon as we post a new video. Tap open your TikTok application first and make sure you're signed into your account. Now, from your home screen, tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner. From your profile page, tap on the three dots at the upper right. Scroll all the way down and under Support, tap on Report a Problem. Under Select a Topic, tap on Account and Profile, and on the next page, tap on Editing Profile. From this page, tap on Still Have a Problem. In this page, in the provided field, type something along the lines. For example, to change your birthday, type in I need to update my birthday on my account, since the current date is incorrect. You can give any kind of a feedback for this problem. Now, after you do that, tap on Report. Within the next day or two, you should receive an email from TikTok support at the email address associated with your account. The representative might ask for a photo of some government ID that proves your birthday. After you send it to them, they will hopefully update your TikTok birthday with the new date. That is how you can do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.